In today's video, we are going to be showing you how to replace the mirrors on your Ram truck. Let's get into it. Okay guys, today's video, we're gonna be replacing the mirrors. Some guys might be going from, regular mirrors to tow mirrors or tow mirrors to regular mirrors. We're going tow mirrors to tow mirrors. Reason being is these ones are all black factory and they do have the turn signals, heated mirrors, power mirrors, all that good stuff. But I'll show you guys what we're replacing. So this truck has factory chrome mirrors. Rather than getting them color matched and painted, because it's almost nearly impossible to disassemble them, there's a huge spring here and a clip and a bunch of stuff to try to disassemble this portion from that. I've seen people paint them all together, but these are the factory flip out tow mirrors. You'll notice this corner does have a broken lens, but you can replace just these markers, but we're trying to delete the chrome on this truck. There is a large bracket that does support the larger tow mirrors, but since we already have the tow mirrors on, I can just take these off and just bolt the other ones on without having to take apart the whole door panel and put in that reinforcement bracket. So let's get to it, you guys. We're gonna open this up. This is gonna pop off, so this is just on with some speed clips like you see there. And we got 1, 2, 3. And we can get to it. Only thing is, I guess we do still have to take off the door panel because the wire goes down, unfortunately. So we're gonna pop this little cover out, take out the Phillips, and we're gonna take out the push pins and we'll remove this. So there's a bunch of these around the perimeter. You're gonna unscrew this, just use little Torx. It's kind of a push pin, but you can unscrew it like that. And then you're gonna pull out the center pin. If you get the other piece out, it's okay. If not, it'll come out once you pull on the door panel. And you'll see a bunch of them around here. So we're gonna take all those out. Okay, so you're gonna need to pop out all of these little clips. You're gonna take out the Phillips screwdriver, and then the handle is pretty much just gonna come out by itself. The handle surround. And if yours is like mine and you have the ambient lighting, you're gonna have this little clip. But once you take all this out, then your door panel can slide up, like you can see there. I don't really have to do too much because I just unclip those things. So I'll probably disconnect this so I can take my door panel a little bit off so we can get into that one connector there. Okay, I'll lift this up and just enough so that we can get to here. So I'm just gonna take this off. I'll just put it off to the side, and there's our two connectors. So right here's the large bracket I was telling you about for the reinforcement for the tow mirrors, but it already has it. So we got 3 10 mils here. We're gonna unplug these two connectors and we'll take it off. So just before I take off the last one, I'm gonna unclip the two connectors. So the white one goes on the bottom, at least on mine. So with this disconnected, you can't really mix these up because the one guiding pin, even though they're very similar, the one guiding pin right there is different than that. This one's right on the edge. That one's a little bit off the edge. So last bolt, let's get this thing off. So as you can see there, it comes off pretty easy. Now we'll put on the new one. There we go. Bolts are tight. And we can go ahead and we'll plug in our 2 wires. There we go. They both clicked in and we are done. Now we'll lift up our panel. Make sure you tuck your ambient wire back in for your handle if you have one. You're also gonna have to guide in your lock right there as well. And you're gonna have to hook it on those pegs. So I see a series of these pegs right there. Right there, hopefully you can see it, right where my finger is. And there's a latch right here on the door, so you're trying to hook all those. There we go. So make sure she's back in, and it is. It's all down and good. So we'll put in our handle surround and we'll put in our push pins. We got our screw in there and these push pins. Put that in there like that, And then just push that one like that and go all the way around. Okay, so we got all of those push pins around our perimeter. You can see them all, they're all pushed down, ready to go. And then our cover here and our cover here. So this one is pretty straightforward, just snaps in. And same thing with this one. It just tucks in the bottom and then snaps in on the sides, and that's it. We'll move on to the other side. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video, you guys. Let me know what you think below. Chrome mirrors, black mirrors, I think color match is the best, but this was a cheap way for me to get at least rid of the chrome on the truck. Maybe we'll do color match down the road. But if you guys enjoyed it, make sure you give a thumbs up. Check out the other videos on the channel, hit the subscribe button, and see you guys on the next video.